Do you want to do a better welcome?
No.
I thought you wanted to make it better. I thought you had a better welcome.
हम लोग रेगुलर लोग हैं, है कि नहीं? क्या बोलती है तू? आम जनता, मैंगो पीपल, राइट? हमको प्रैक्टिकल होना है, प्रैक्टिकल जिंदगी है, राइट?
Okay, cool. All
Yeah.
right.
Oh God, my name is also coming as Gulshin Anand, man. ठीक है.
It's okay. That's still easier to read than my name. By the time people finish reading my name, ये podcast का episode ही खत्म हो जाएगा.
Vaishnavi, they'll at least know you are Vaishnavi. They'll call me Gulshan. So even grammar
Or
भी
they,
auto corrects
or,
me.
or they'll call you Anand.
Yeah. ठीक है. You take what you get, bro.
Yeah. It's okay. Now I'll say in every sentence आगे और पीछे I'll say, so Sheena, what do you think, Sheena? Sheena, how
हाँ.
did you think, Sheena? अब मैं
Be
इतना
like
बोल
Alia Bhatt.
दूंगी.
Shiva.
Exactly. Or no, be like Kejo talking about Alia in his
Yeah, yeah.
talk shows. What's wrong with me? I'm saying talk show in Coffee with Karan. So now I'll say Sheena before and after every sentence so people know we're talking about it.
Bro, do you know like what is happening यहाँ पे with Jigra? Like apparently it tanked and how? And then Kejo was accused कि भाई तुम numbers इतना inflate करके बोलते हो, इतनी टट्टी movie थी वो. And then later on he was like, yeah, we all inflate numbers.
No, bro, this is something that I was talking about. I feel like this is a new kind of marketing, which is controversial marketing. The thing is, लोगों को controversy चाहिए, ठीक है, in some or the other form. So people they want to feel like they're a part of the controversy. And at least the earliest I saw was when Anushka put up a post of herself in workout gear, and she tagged Puma saying, "Can you put down this post? I'm not your ambassador." And she turned out to be her ambassador, and that became
हाँ.
this whole thing. So now, and this is like literal. That's at least fun controversy where it become
Yeah.
they make a joke out of it. अभी movie चल नहीं रहा है, dude. That girl who's the director of that movie? What movie were they comparing it to? Divya. What was her name? Director Divya something was. So there's this director of the
I
movie
thought
that
it was
came
a
on
guy.
Netflix about a jailbreak. No, no, bro. It's this girl. It's Divya. This Netflix में that jailbreak movie came. जिसका people are saying that they basically Kejo took the plot of the movie and just made some khichdi out of it and copied the movie. And she put up a post in a theater she put up a post of an empty theater saying that you guys are just inflating numbers when the theaters are actually empty and the movie is not running. And
हाँ.
so now this whole thing came in, is it a copy, is it a copy, is it a copy? Now जो लोग मूवी देखने जा ही नहीं रहे हैं, ओ ये प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ चल रहा है, maybe we should see if it is a copy. And people will start showing
हाँ.
up. I don't know. I feel like it's this new kind of marketing where it's controversial marketing. Bro, I love controversies, and even you do. If I ask you, Sheena, bro, do you think this is a copy? You'll go the next day, you'll watch the movie and be like, nee, bro, it's not a copy.
Bro, I तो had no problems with that Poonam Pandey ka controversy also, where whatever she was
Oh, that she
some
faked her death,
ovarian.
that post.
Yeah, yeah, मेरे को तो because
Yeah.
immediately on my girls group, all of us were like, लग गए bro, she's so way young, like I'm not younger, but she's way fitter than us,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
so we started
yeah,
googling, and everyone was like, we were talking कि भाई, listen, we need to take care, let's do tests and all. Next day she was
yeah.
alive, and I was like, bug, कुछ tests नहीं होंगे. But people were so angry, like LinkedIn पे तो they had a field day where they were
Bro,
like,
but I also feel like there's a lot of reason. There's a lot of pent up anger that comes out these days. Like it used. I don't know. I don't know if you feel it, but हर चीज में there's anger. पार्ले जी का जी निकल गया, like गुस्सा हो गए. Like no, I'm not. मतलब there are serious. I mean, there are serious problems, and it's obviously very. You need to talk about those things. You need to express, and there's a lot of shit going on right now in the world that you need to talk about. But I feel like no one wants to see any side of it except removing anger these days, and I feel like that's getting too much. Like
hmm.
there's an ad that came out. Why is like the girl too young in the ad, the guy is too old in the ad? Like and these are again real problems. But the thing is, these are things that happen everywhere. Like it's not like you're not seeing it. It's
Yeah,
how are you okay with Akshay Kumar romancing that girl who came in
Sara
English
Ali.
medium, Angrezi medium?
Oh
No, bro, like
yeah, हाँ, I forgot
Radhika
her name.
Madan.
Radhika, हाँ, correct.
How is that okay? Like that's
Which
not
movie are
okay.
they in?
They're in this movie, which is a remake of a Tamil movie.
अच्छा.
I forgot the name. It's a real life. It's a very nice movie. Like, I don't know if you know the South Indian actor Surya. He won national award for that movie, and he produced that movie in
Okay.
Hindi now. So
Okay.
she's in that. It's about low cost airline, a real story.
Oh.
So it's actually, I've seen it only in Tamil, and it's a very nice movie.
Okay.
But I didn't watch it in Hindi. I never made Tamil. I've never watched Tamil remakes in Hindi. Mostly don't. But bro, that I saw a couple of this thing. It was like, how can you believe that? Like, how is it okay that wo Sara Ali Khan wala? Did you watch Atrangi Re? That at least had some.
No.
But if you watch the movie, you'll know why it. Like, there's an
हाँ.
explanation behind it. Like,
Like
matlab,
Dear
there's a
Zindagi.
logical. Yeah, there is a
Yeah.
logical explanation behind Atrangi Re. Like, but this movie, I don't know, bro. It didn't make sense. You can't be okay with Akshay Kumar romancing a 16-year-old. I mean, I don't think she's 16, but early
16
20s. Like,
थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया नहीं?
16 थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, I agree. But still, 20s also, bro. Like,
Bro,
it's a
Bollywood में
bit
मतलब
much.
they have no, I think everywhere they've just normalized it that guys can be of whatever age and it'll still make sense with girls with any age.
Yeah, yeah.
Bro,
No,
अपना
that's true. That is true.
तो
Bro, मैं तब से अपने बाल साइड कर रही हूँ ताकि मेरे इयररिंग्स दिख ही नहीं रहा है.
तो तुम थोड़ा ऐसे बैठो ना.
नहीं, ऐसे एंगल्स वर्कआउट नहीं करेंगे साइड वाली, यही ठीक है.
Bro, I also want gold jewelry which doesn't tarnish, but ठीक है.
Listen, the reason I'm showing this off is because we're going to be talking about fabulous lives and like Bollywood, and I have this. The only thing, the closest thing I have to it is Alia Bhatt has the same earrings as
Listen,
this.
Vaishnavi, gold earrings like that, every second person in Bandra has it. और चलो Bandra तो फिर भी बहुत अच्छा बोल दिया
No,
मैंने.
the exact same thing. The exact same thing. ये बैंड्रा से नहीं है. ये कोई ऑनलाइन शॉप से है जिसका नाम मैं भूल गई. पर दीपिका पादुकोण का वो कौन सी मूवी है, गहराइयां में भी उसने इसी जगह से खरीदा था ज्वेलरी. This is my
See, and
closest
Geraia was in
association with
Bombay.
Bollywood.
Wow, this is your closest connection. Not the fact
Bombay?
that Shah Rukh Khan tweeted on your birthday. This.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's my should we post a screenshot of this while we talk about this?
yeah. Listen, if only
And
our
tag.
editing is that good. Listen, we are getting ahead of ourselves, but we'll try. See, if push comes to
We
shove,
should
I
try,
do
yaar.
decent video editing.
I
But
was
it's
so
just
going
कि
to
मेरे को ये
totally
laptop.
just piggyback on your editing skills.
Chalish. Bro, in fact,
But
I had to
did you
write
figure out
timestamps what
Samyam?
all to edit. I will start the podcast from here.
What was the point of trying to be funny all this while?
Listen, Vaishnavi, even if we wake up from our sleep, we will be decently funny. So it's okay. ऐसा
Decently.
वेस्ट
I
नहीं हो
agree.
रहा है. जो है
Okay.
वो
I
है.
think अगर हम यहाँ से start करें तो you should please do the welcome since we
Please
have
do the
another shot at
welcome.
it. Yeah, welcome to our podcast वाला
नहीं
चीज.
यार, ये सबसे difficult part है. Bro, I will just edit the music and I will shape it.
Okay. All right. Then
And
how do we
उसका
start?
second most difficult part is introduction. So Vaishnavi, you tell me, why are you doing this podcast?
Okay. When I met Sheena 10 years ago, 10 years ago? I don't know, 10 years ago. We've been talking Bollywood till almost 10 years. 2015 we met. So almost 10 years we've been talking Bollywood, dancing to Bollywood numbers. Probably the only time I opened up as a normal person instead of shying away in one corner was when like Bollywood songs played. So one day we woke up while exchanging voice notes that we should be doing this because we think we are funny and we think we are entertaining. So we thought the world should also see this. And there will be people like us who are interested in knowing absolutely nothing important, which is
Yeah,
about Bollywood.
that's true. And अरे once ना Insta पे you had sent me or I sent you, I don't know. But ऐसा कुछ तो बॉलीवुड का बकलोली हम दोनों में से किसी ने भेजा. And then we both started talking.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
talking
yeah. It
became
was just
long voice notes.
it was the Twitter thread about what happened at the Ambani wedding.
Yeah. Bro, that
Yeah.
Twitter thread was gold.
It was
Gold.
so good. I think I had dreams of that Twitter thread because I had not consumed that amount of information in my body in one go the way I did in that Twitter thread.
Bro, that Twitter thread ना, so the thing is कि the whole wedding makes normal people look like bro कुछ भी हो सकता है. Then you read all this Kalesh ना, then you're like bro Kalesh is तो constant everywhere. हमारा
Yeah.
घर या उनका घर. So you're like, यहाँ अमीरों के साथ भी ये सब हो रहा है, then we are okay.
Yeah, it's that little minute validation that you need to know that कोई
Yeah,
खुश नहीं है जिंदगी में,
yeah,
किसी
yeah,
का लाइफ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, which is a reassurance कि सब ठीक है.
yeah. As long as
Yeah,
everyone is failing, I'm okay.
exactly. The only thing that bothers you more than your problems is that others don't have problems.
Yeah, that's true. मतलब
Yeah,
अगर तुम फेल हो गए, तुम्हारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड पास हो गया, तो फिर यार the worst.
exactly. पास नहीं हो गया, first आ गया तो.
ओ ब्रो, मैं तो कूद जाऊं.
Yeah. Exactly. So this is exactly like that. When you know सब मतलब सब डूब रहे हैं, सब एक ही आजू बाजू में है. टाइटैनिक वाला मतलब चलो वो थोड़ा ट्रेजिक एग्जांपल हो गया, बट नहीं, बट नहीं, but you get what I'm saying.
I get it.
Yeah.
Bro, also, you know what? That day, yesterday, I was on LinkedIn and I saw this post which was so funny. One person said, podcasting is like guitar of this generation. Everyone wants. And he's like, everyone thinks they can make a podcast. And I was like, why not?
No, but why not? I didn't do the guitar lessons, so maybe this is my attempt at like doing something that is like a guitar lesson.
मतलब मेरी एक फ्रेंड का गिटार था, शी वाज लाइक मैं नहीं चला रही, आई वाज लाइक 2 हफ्ते के लिए मेरे को दे दे. Then I went and I got all the accessories and all, and then I was like, bro, it's too tough. So I gave up in like 1 hour, and I tried to do that Aisha wala gana. Then Mir said, don't sing. So then I was like, yeah, अब मैं loser जैसे हर party में जाके I'll be like, okay, chal, and people are like, oh god, she's got her guitar. She knows only 2 songs. I don't want to sing Wonderwall again. So then I was like, not worth it, bro. And also, we go to farmhouses with like 4 people in the car. Then people will be like, oh god, she's got her guitar again. Now we can only go 3 people. So then I thought of all of this and I was like, not worth it.
रहने देते हैं. Make smart. I
Yeah.
tried picking up skating as a new skill because I since since I moved to Canada, I was like, I'm going to change my life. I'm going to do different things. I'm going to, I'm going to become a nature lover suddenly. I went on a hike, and after 15 minutes of walking uphill, I was like, people do this for fun. People walk and get breathless and get sweaty for fun. And I was waiting. I did it for 30 minutes, and I was like, I'm still waiting for the fun. I went and I didn't, and it was not fun. And I was like, मैं चलूंगी तो मुझे कुछ चाहिए, कम से कम एंड में मुझे पार्ले जी खिला दो यार, ग्लूकॉन डी खिला दो, कुछ तो खिला दो. Like
Bro,
what
at
is the
least in
point?
Siyangar you go up and you get pitla bhakri. Like, at least here.
Bro, यहाँ पानी तक you don't get पानी. Also, you have to pack on your own and go. Everything you have to do on your own and go.
Yeah, in Siyangar,
So
raste में you get nimbu pani or peru
nothing
mirchi
you get.
wala.
Here you get, but you can't afford those things in and when you do conversion like me, कि अरे भाई रुपया में तो कितना है, अरे $1000 का हम पानी पियेंगे, नहीं नहीं, $1000 का पानी पियेंगे, नहीं नहीं नहीं, it's okay, प्यास नहीं लगी है. Yeah, so that's not, but I
But
picked up
Vesh,
skating
you
because I
thought
was
you'll
like,
change your life, not you'll add one hobby. So this is what I also think, ये job में तो अभी बहुत late हो गया. Next job I go to, I'll be a completely different person. And from day one, I'll have a new personality and I'll be a bitch. And then I, like one shit I say, and I'm like, यार यहाँ पे भी बहुत late हो गया अभी. Next job.
I
Dude,
think
I want to be mysterious so bad, but I put everything on Insta. Now, so we are making a podcast also.
dude, the other day I was looking at your stories when you would put up your wedding album pictures. Dude, they were hilarious. They were so funny. They were hilarious. But that's it. Bro, I don't think you can be mysterious. I can be
यार,
mysterious for. I think I can still be
you
mysterious
can.
thoda sa. हाँ.
Yeah, true.
I feel like if people meet Mihir and Riyang, they'll be like, इनको पता, they are mysterious
They
for
are,
a
they are.
while. Yeah,
Bro,
yeah,
I'll
at
tell you
least for a
what
while.
mysterious is, okay? मतलब तुम एक इंस्टा पे रैंडम प्रोफाइल देख रहे हो and then randomly you see a person in Mauritius and I'm like, कहाँ गए, कब गए, कहाँ से आए पैसे, किसके साथ गए, छुट्टी लेकर गए कि बिजनेस था इसलिए गए, कुछ पता नहीं. Then some people will just put a post in like this random good looking place with no caption, nothing. हमने कहाँ हो, कुछ तो बताओ.
Oh, I've started becoming that person. By the way, there's this new the Gen Z trend that I've learned recently. So, Abhi, in my previous conversation with someone that I'd met, like I'd met a friend's colleague, and they're technically Gen Z. So the new mysterious thing is you have 0 posts on Instagram. Okay. So when I go to your profile, you have no DP,
हाँ
like
हाँ हाँ
ठीक है, and you have no posts, but you have highlights. You have like 25 highlights of I
yeah
turned
yeah
22, I turned 23, and then they have like 500 stories in it. So people have to apparently
yeah
put an effort to know you, and that effort is going through your highlights and not your posts because posts are easier to find.
ब्रो मेरे को ना फरहान अख्तर जैसे उल्टी आ रही उल्टी बिकॉज ये जेन जी इज लाइक सो obsessed with themselves they are like oh I'm so special you go make the effort to look at क्यों क्यों That-
Dude, yeah. Then Gen Zs here are very, especially Desi Gen Zs here in Canada are very funny because मतलब हम inherently Desi हैं यार, like that's who we are. But suddenly when you're talking, it is that जो मैं हूँ ना में वो थूक थूक के प्रोफेसर बात करता है ना इंग्लिश में, ठीक है, it's exactly like
with
that.
the viper
Yeah,
वाला
exactly. It's
चश्मा
exactly like that. How are you spitting and talking in English? Like this is not our bhasha. And why do you have an accent of within like 1 year of coming to Canada? Why do you have an accent? This is not हमारे accent भी नहीं होता यार. It's just you can't do it. And how are you having chai latte at Starbucks, bro? And you say that you like chai latte, bro. मैं तो चाय अगर गरम से ठंडा पी लो ना, आइस टी भी नेस्टी भी मुझे सूट नहीं करता है बिकॉज हम इतने देसी हैं. उसमें अदरक होना चाहिए, इलायची होना चाहिए, और मतलब all of those masalas have to be there. Only then is chai.
but
I
Vesh,
Yeah.
people from Pune or Bombay or wherever, when they go to South, they pick up the South accent. Now you talk to Zubair, he'll be like, "Come off, yeah." That day I was telling him, "What is this English?" I'm like, "What is come off?"
Yeah, no, bro. Even I talk like that because in Bangalore it's like that. Come na ya, let's go na ya. What are you doing? Come, bro. This is dude. I had to come and change my language because ek to I my new job and I've come to a new country and I'm trying to be like sophisticated. I'm like, no, you know what? I belong. So the one thing I need to do is ek to my problem is I say bro before and after every sentence. Is the
मतलब
mysterious person gonna pass behind you?
no, he is going from that side. जैसे पता नहीं I'm interview. हाँ गया मीर को उधर जाना था वो आगे से गया
क्या बोल रही थी मैं? No, bro, but that's the thing. You can pick up. So
हाँ
when I move, the thing is, okay, we move to कहीं पे भी we move, like south, north, east, west, wherever we move. Our innate, how we've been talking for the last 20, 30 years, our English is the same. I get it. Like my brother's been living in Germany for 10 years. Now he has certain
है
words of his change. हाँ, he's हाँ 10 साल तो हो गया ही होगा. हाँ 10 साल हो
वाओ
गया. So there are some of his words where he has an influence. But the way you talk, I can't say, no, I don't talk like that. That can't be my accent like within like 1 year of coming to Canada. I can't. That's not the way. I'm sure over years there are influence that comes, but
हाँ
it can't suddenly be like, oh, what are you doing? मेरा गला खिंच जाता है यार ऐसे बात करने में. It's not how we talk.
but bro there is a Canadian accent US accent but ये सबसे परे there is a universal Gen Z accent which is the same all
Which
Gen
is
Z
what?
kids Gen Z talks the same way they all talk like Ananya Pandey they all have like that मतलब एकदम बेबस वाला but still strong independent वाला accent everyone talks the same
बेबस
way
but independent क्या होता है
yeah
यार?
मतलब जब तुम रो रहे हो and then you are like but I'm looking cute I'll take a selfie that so they all
No, but
have
it's
that
true.
accent
But that I agree with them because there's one time that I had like such a bad breakdown and I was just like, मैं कितना रोई like, but my skin never looked better, bro. Like facial के बाद भी it never looked better. Like it was glowing that day. I was like, what did I do except cry today? Like literally nothing. I probably even if I didn't wash my face, it would have been still been nice. Like it
bro
was
you look like
that
Karina
clean.
with that so Karina's very fair and she's got like blood coming out gushing जैसे उसका natural blush आता
Now
है
you're
ना
saying very nice things, but वो blush नहीं आ रहा है ना?
अच्छा
नहीं आ रहा है. This, if you can see a blush, that's probably just a pimple informing जो बस अपना थोड़ा side effect से red लग रहा है पर pimple ही होगा वो जो आ रहा है.
Vesh,
जब
you don't want to show me the blush you want to show me the earring yeah
there's half the people, all the famous people have at least influencers and everyone. Dude, influencers are becoming actors now. Like, आप famous हो जाते हो तो मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Are you talking about Kusha?
No, bro, I like Kusha. I like Kusha. I'm not. I mean, movies वगैरह में ज़्यादा नहीं. I didn't like. I feel like the movies could have been nicer. Like I watched Thank You for Coming. Have you watched that movie?
No, I could not. मतलब I
Don't watch
could.
it. Yeah,
हाँ.
don't watch it. Like that's what I'm trying to say. Like you can pick. At no, usme there was Dolly, but I feel like you can pick better movies. I watched Sukhi also.
Even
Did you watch?
Kusha was also there in that, no?
Thank You for Coming. Me, yeah, yeah. Kusha had a very small role.
अच्छा.
Like she was like a bully sort of a role. Yeah, yeah. Now that you
Okay.
say. But did you watch Sukhi? That was another movie on Netflix.
नहीं. यार सच में बोलो तो ना, I don't watch only a lot of things. Now I will watch. Me यार
Yeah.
मेरे को
No,
ना,
but
I can't
these are
watch
suggestions
boring things
that
यार.
I'm saying don't watch it. Don't
Oh.
watch.
Tell me
But
what
I'm
to watch.
saying you can pick better. I apparently Citadel Honey Bunny is very good. I'm gonna watch it over the weekend.
Apparently Dopatti is also very good.
Bro, I watched Dopati, but there's like I mean it's a sensitive topic, so that
अच्छा.
is not thoda. I mean for me it just मेरे को बहुत बुरा लगा वो मूवी देख के. So
हाँ.
like it and I'm the kind of person कि मैं मूवी देखूंगी फिर मैं 5 दिन रोऊंगी वो सोच सोच के.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bro,
so
you
it's a
know
little
what? That
sad.
is one of the reasons why I can't watch so many things, because now I just go in that thing. Like I can't just watch and move on. I will Google
Exactly.
meanings of that ending. Who is that person? What happened in their life? How true is the movie? Full
Yeah.
Reddit के अंदर जा जाके.
And फिर
तो
I just be thinking too about those movies, yeah. And it like
yeah.
and even though if it's a good movie, if it's disturbing and they pick topics like this to talk about it, which is definitely a good thing. But I just feel like that just stays with like I'm the kind of person it stays with. And like I don't know if you watched it. There's this movie called Maharaja on Netflix. Unbelievably well made movie.
हाँ.
Yeah, it's
Who's
a
there in Maharaja?
Vijay Sethupathi.
Oh, हाँ, I'll
Uh,
watch.
and there's also Anurag Kashyap.
So this तो must be a Telugu movie, na?
Tamil movie, yeah. I
Tamil
think
movie.
it's also available in Hindi audio. I don't know. But bro, that movie is so sad that
Yeah.
yeah, for like a month after that movie, but it's unbelievably touching. Like it's a very, very good movie. But bro, the movie is so sad that for a month I kept thinking about it and I felt bad.
हाँ.
Yeah, yeah,
ब्रो
yeah.
1 महीना तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया ब्रो.
ब्रो आई हैव टू वॉच सम मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना मैं बहुत पर्सनली ले लेती हूँ लाइक आई एम वो
हाँ.
इन्फ्लुएंसर वाली चीज इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग like I know that there are people who can move on watch a movie and say you know it's a movie it's fine it's fiction and move on I'm unfortunately not that person.
ब्रो आफ्टर तो recently I watched Kerala Story with Meher, and we both couldn't move on only. Like we were just talking about it for days and days, and then उसके बाद we started
Yeah,
watching Kashmir Files,
I
and
didn't
then we
watch it
couldn't
on
finish it.
I
हाँ.
didn't because Mrigang watched it and he said they don't watch it you won't be able to take it. He's like you too won't sleep for like months or year don't watch it. So I
Okay,
didn't
but
watch
you
it.
know what? In Kashmir Files, na, like there is this one dialogue, okay, which he says ki when whatever happened with the Jews, they never let the world forget it. Like they never let the world forget the Holocaust. Never. Like everyone still talks about it. But
Yeah,
whatever happened in Kashmir, even I
no one
didn't
talks
know. I
about
had no idea.
it. Even
मतलब
I didn't know about it. You're
even
right.
people जो कश्मीर में रह रहे, like the next generation,
उनको
they
भी नहीं
also
पता.
don't know. I was like, भाई मेरे को तो दूर दूर तक नहीं पता था. I just knew कि there was
हाँ,
unrest, but don't know what really happened.
the details of it. Yeah.
Hmm.
No, even I didn't know it for a very long time. And then when the movie came in, then I read a lot about it. I didn't watch it. I still didn't watch it because I knew what it would like sort of do. So I didn't watch it. But yeah.
I remember कि वो जब ये movie release होने वाली थी ना, अनुपम खेर didn't go to Kapil Sharma because he said कि you know it's not the kind of movie we want to promote here. And
Yeah.
उसमें से also they tried to make a controversy कि oh Anupam Kher has a fight with Kapil Sharma. I'm like
Really?
villain ही बैठा है वो. कि-
हाँ. Oh, I didn't know this. ये controversy मुझे पता नहीं था. But हाँ, that's not the kind of. I don't think that's the kind of movie you promote at all. And I think there was
Yeah.
also a lot of like issues and riots around that movie and
No,
that
but
relation.
Kerala Story now, केरला स्टोरी का प्रमोशन हुआ था. It was like not done in ऐसा rapid
But
fire
उसके
think villa way,
yeah.
but it
No,
was done.
there was a lot of controversy around Kerala stories also.
It must be यार, मतलब वो it's a very deep topic and it's just out there कि हाँ this is it, watch it like that. मतलब there was no sugar coating. It was just you watched the movie क्या?
I didn't. I watched it in like bits and pieces, I think, but I didn't really watch it.
It's very good. मतलब
Yeah.
I also have the maybe not as much as you, लेकिन I also can't just watch something and move on.
Yeah.
तो but I watched the movie and then again मैंने दुनिया भर का research किया, उसके बारे में बहुत बात की.
Okay.
Then yeah, but it was digestible. Like
Maharaja, I watched Dopati, though you should, like, Kriti Sanon definitely did a good job. But
I
yeah.
watched Bhediya recently, bro.
Bro, Bhediya is such a fun movie.
So good.
Dude, amazing movie. Dude, that entire
अरे हाँ, I
universe.
watched Bhediya because I had to get over Kerala story.
Dude, Bhediya is a fantastic movie. I watched it, मतलब I watched it pehle, and then recently, like, couple of friends had not watched it. I was like, हाँ, let's watch it again, because I didn't even watch it like 2 years, 3 years back whenever it came. So I was like, I can to watch it again. That entire universe, that three universe, I can watch
Yeah.
those movies, bro. Have you watched 3 too? You should watch it.
I watched 3-2 twice and it was so
Bro,
funny. मतलब ना, I have
yeah.
laughed like that. It was that funny,
Nice.
bro.
Yeah. Dude, that Abhishek guy is so good. So freaking good. I feel like he's even in 3-1 and 3-2, I feel like he was the main reason for which, like, so much it was so good.
The guy who gets possessed, that guy. The
Yeah.
friend.
Yeah.
अरे ब्रो, लेकिन स्त्री 2 का जो प्रमोशन हुआ उसमें एवरीवन वाज लाइक श्रद्धा कपूर, ओ माय गॉड, बट राजकुमार राव killed it. Yeah, he was so
Yeah.
good, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the other people, they killed it. Shraddha तो है ही, but
But
Shraddha
Shraddha's
का
role,
role was not as challenging as these guys का.
yeah, and it was very limited also.
Yeah.
I know that kind of a role is only limited, but Stree 2 में मुझे ऐसा लगा और भी limited था more than like the first part. Tamanna being Pankaj Tripadi's love interest was my absolute favorite in that movie.
Bro,
Like कुछ
and
भी चल रहा है, कुछ भी
it was
चल
such
रहा
a
है.
I've never seen so much adab in a relationship like this, which is so random. I loved
No,
it. And
dude, that was
Pankaj
my
Tripathi
favorite
के
part.
some dialogues are so sweet. They're like, वो स्त्री है, वो पुरुष नहीं. She will
हाँ,
ask for your consent. I was like, dude.
exact, dude. Those are it's a very good movie, dude.
Yeah.
It's
And
unbelievable good.
bro, this movie का I love the dialogue so much. If there was that whole scene about चिट्ठी तुम्हारे पास है, अरे चिट्ठी तुम्हारे पास क्यों होगी, चिट्ठी मेरे पास है. I loved it.
तो चिट्टी क्या नाम है भाई? चिट्टी नाम क्या है? No, bro,
Jaspreet.
that no, but the funny part is गंजी चिट्टी, गंजी चिट्टी.
चिट्ठी ठीक है, बस थोड़ी गंजी हो गई है.
और जो अपर शक्ति बैठ के रोता है, ये गंजी चिट्टी. Dude, that was too funny.
अरे bro, great dialogues, great.
Yeah. But I think the funniest part of the entire movie was when they're going on the bike और वो पीछे से आके उसको पकड़ता है पोजेस दोस्त को, अभिषेक को, और वो बम पकड़ लेता है, कुछ तो ऐसे होता है. Dude, it was so funny. हम theater में थे when we watched the movie and I couldn't stop laughing. I think some popcorn came out of my mouth because I was laughing so hard. Dude,
Bro,
that
and the
guy
fact कि वो
was
हमेशा 50 का पेट्रोल भराता है, so relatable.
Dude, परसों हमारी गाड़ी रुकने वाली थी क्योंकि हमने पेट्रोल कम भरा था. Literally परसों की बात है कि मतलब हमारी गाड़ी almost रुक गई थी.
मेरे Ganga's giving you dirt.
Because I told him कि भाई और थोड़ा भर ले, ऐसे नहीं करते, थोड़े और के चक्कर में we were like, bro, हम घर के लिए पहुंचेंगे, हमको तो पेट्रोल पड़ेगा.
Bro, sometimes like if Mir has some reimbursement उसके ऑफिस का, so we fill उतना ही पेट्रोल जितना तक, you know, cause बाद में तुमको full करा के reimbursement लेना है, so we calculate like we have to go here. Sataki, not even like 10 rupees is wasted from company money.
हम लोग रेगुलर लोग हैं, है कि नहीं? क्या बोलती है तुम? आम जनता, मैंगो पीपल, राइट? हमको प्रैक्टिकल होना है, प्रैक्टिकल जिंदगी है, राइट?